Today we're gonna go in on my daughter Aurora's birth chart. Okay. First off, her sun, moon, and rising. Her sun is in Aquarius, moon is in Aries, and her rising is in. I I do believe she's the only feminine rising in my family. Her rising is in Cancer, so she's gonna need a lot more attention than most. Excuse my little daughter Emerald. But yeah, she's gonna need a little bit more attention than most of them, which is okay. Okay, so her Mercury, well, her obviously her sun isn't really compatible with mine. Mine's a Scorpio, so we're gonna butt heads like I will with Allie and Emerald. Okay, the Emerald has a Gemini sun. Allie has Aquarius and Aurora has Aquarius, so that'll be fun. It's fine. You gotta love them. You gotta be grateful. Her Aurora's moon is Aries. Mine's in Leo, so we'll be able to communicate emotionally. My wife will also be able to communicate with her emotionally. Her Mercury is in Capricorn. My Mercury is in Libra. So we might have some disassociations with each other communicating wise, which is fine. But it could suck, because I'm going to tell her what to do and she's just not going to do it. And that's going to bother me sometimes, but it's okay. Most of my kids aren't super compatible with me. It's okay. I'm grateful for them. And that's where I'll leave it. Forever. Because they're going to take care of me when I get old. Oh, God. So stupid. That's probably one. Pray to God that won't happen. I pray to God that I'll be able to take care of myself, but it'll be funny. Not really. Anyways, I digress. So Venus and Pisces. My Venus is in Libra, right? So Pisces and Libra. My wife's Venus is in Pisces also. So I'll be cool, It'll be cool. It'll be easy for me to adjust to. I'll be able to understand her personality because I already understand my wife to a certain point, So that's cool. Her Mars is in Aries like me, so she's going to be very fiery and aggressive. And she's going to point things out that make a lot of sense, and she's going to be very, very punctual with her opinion. And I can appreciate that because I'm the same way. So that'll be nice. It'll be refreshing, Her Jupiter's in Libra. My Jupiter's in Gemini, so as I'm trying to grab all this information and distill it for you guys, she could grab some of the information and help me to balance myself out so that I don't feel so emotionally uncomfortable or frustrated or delineated and stuff. She'll be able to help me feel balanced as I'm expressing to you guys or to whoever I'm talking to at the moment, trying to help break down what they're trying to learn, right? So she might help me teach her sisters, which would be nice. She probably definitely will, especially because her Sagittarius Saturn, just like me. So we're gonna have a lot of fun teaching each other, helping each other to understand how to structure our lives. And it should be beautiful. It's gonna be fun. I feel like honestly, I don't know which one of them are my favorite. Annie, Alexandra, Aurora. We'll probably do Emerald's birth chart tomorrow. But yeah, man, super grateful to have this opportunity to speak with you guys about my daughters and my wife and stuff. And dude, honestly, the Cancer rising, it is a trip because me and Jazz are Gemini risings and everyone else is a masculine sign rising, and Aurora's the only feminine rising sign in our family right now. So it is really weird, man. And she's always emotional. And she's always trying to get things for herself. And she's always trying to get close to you. And she's always saying no and screaming and crying. But the rest of them, they just do whatever you tell them. So it's really interesting to study and be around. I'm really grateful that I get to express those strange emotions I get from her with you guys. Once again, you get blessed with children, you take care of them, you watch out for them, and they watch out for you, and it's inevitable, and do my best to take care of them. That's honestly the key thing. Do your best to take care of the ones that you're responsible for. Period. We don't care if the person is your best friend, your worst enemy. You do your best to take care of what and who you're responsible for. If you can do that in life, then you're going to be the happiest damn person I've ever met. I can't say I'm super happy right now, especially thinking about the transits. I've been thinking about the transits all day almost. Dude, Sun's in Sagittarius. Not happy with that. Honestly, I'm not. Moon is in something feminine. I'm not comfortable with that. The only sign that's in something that's compatible with me is Mars. That's not fun for me. I'm not having fun right now, but I'm expressing myself to you guys, and I'm trying to get us on a level field here so that we can understand how important it is to use astrology to break down people. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to really understand my kids, because I'm sure that they haven't necessarily stepped all the way into their birth chart yet. But knowing about it now is going to empower me a lot more for later. So thank you for listening and empowering me to learn about them. Okay guys, blessings and thank you.